Now, this lecture is also about the numbers, but counting is very, very important. So, I will give you warm up and also how to make number from 1 square, 10 square and 100 square. Generally, in the book, they make in terms of the cubes. But for on the board, to make 100 in the form of cube is very difficult. Yes, if you have the software, you can make it. But whether it is cube or square, number is the same. So I am just here putting, title of my lecture is numbers as 1 square, 10 square and 100 square. And meaning of the square I have already discussed earlier. In a square, it has 4 sides and all sides are equal. So warm up is like this. First warm up, point 1, 1 square here I am writing 1 square. This is a full name, but as far as pictorial presentation is concerned, this is 1 square. In a book, 1 cube is given. So meaning is the same, picture is different. Like 10 square. Be careful. So here you have to draw 2 lines or rectangles in a vertical form. So here I am writing, just say it is a rectangle means it also have the 10 sides, 4 sides, but of the different length. But opposite sides are equal. अब देखिए, now make 10 square. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. अब देखिए, यहां पर मैं लिख के बता दे रहा हूं, दिस इज, ओहो, टेन क्यों कहा गया? देखिए 1 स्क्वायर, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. अब यहां पर जो है इंपॉर्टेंट चीज है कि व्हेन यू आर गोइंग टू सॉल्व द क्वेश्चन, this 1 to 10 is not written. Only 10 square will be there. Meaning is the 10. Very clear. Now, third warm up is 100 square. बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट चीज है ये भी स्क्वायर फॉर्म में होगा जो मैं आपको बता रहा हूं, और हाउ द स्टूडेंट शुड ड्रा द 100 स्क्वायर you learn from this my lecture. अब देखिए, it is also square. तो सबसे पहले जैसे यहां पर आपने किया है, एक लाइन ऐसे खींच दीजिए, नो प्रॉब्लम, और 1 लाइन वर्टिकल, there is no should be difference. Now what you do, the 100 means it will start from the 1 and go up to 100. So यहाँ पर अगर 10, 10, 10, 10, 10 जा 100. So draw a line here and draw a line here. It will not match the exact square, but the meaning should be understood. Unless you use the scale, then yes, properly it can be done. अब देखिए 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Ask the student to write also. Then 8 9 and 10. Delete the rest one. Erase. I'm just deleting. They use pencil because up to second class the pencil is used always so that mistake can be erased and rewritten. अब यहां देखिए अब देखिए 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. तो 9 को ऐसे कर दीजिए और 10 को थोड़ा और बढ़ा दीजिए. और ध्यान रखिएगा, अगेन करेक्शन आई एम मेकिंग यू, कि ये लाइन नहीं रहनी चाहिए. अब देखिए ध्यान रखिएगा, दिस इज ऑल्सो इंक्रीजिंग, दिस इज ऑल्सो इंक्रीजिंग. दैट मीन्स in the question or the problem which I am going to give you, if you make 1 square means 1, I will not write 1. You have to write what is the meaning of 1 square. I will put like this, it is 10 number, and like this it is a 100 number. That is called the pictorial addition. No subtraction, first addition. Subtraction is also possible, but I will tell you later on when I will talk of addition and subtraction. First I will talk of addition. So now I am asking the giving you a question for the addition. So I will just erase this one, warm up part. Very simple. Suppose question, I will just give example, and based on the example I will give the question. Just say here example, I am first taking example 1. और लड़कों को कंजूसाई करने के लिए अवॉइड करेगा, जितने भी पेज लगते हैं उनको पढ़ाइए. पेरेंट्स बहुत कहते थे बहुत पेज लग रहा है. नो, दे आर गोइंग टू लर्न एंड रिटर्न इज मच मच बिगर देन द इन्वेस्टमेंट. अब देखिए एग्जाम्पल 1 है दैट राइट 100 51 by using square. Now for that this is a number name, I have already told you, but for convenience put into the short form 151. OTH. That's very, very important. So what is the solution? First we make a block of 100, then 5 block of tens, and then 1 block for 1. So solution. I am making step 1. Make a block means square of 100. ठीक है, कोई दिक्कत नहीं. अब इसके नीचे बनाइए. Approximately I am drawing. There is no length and breadth requirement. You can ask them to do it. Up here it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. ध्यान रखिएगा, 9 बार ऊपर नीचे छोड़कर 9 बार बनाएंगे तो ऑलरेडी 10 हो जाएगा. जैसे देखा 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. But don't have to write 1 to 10 in a row and vertical. I have just written for explanation that this gives the total 10. Here देखिए 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Why I am speaking 9? Because अगर 10 कर दें तो 11 बन जाएगा. तो इसीलिए आपको 9 बार ही स्क्वायर बनाने के बाद 9 बार रो, 9 बार कॉलम. अब यहां पर आपको केवल लिखना है कि इट इज 100. ठीक है. एंड इसका एक्सपेंडेड फॉर्म क्या होता है देखिएगा. एक्सपेंडेड फॉर्म इज 100 प्लस 50 प्लस 1. एक्सपेंडेड फॉर्म है. अब लिखिए सेकेंड स्टेप क्या है. स्टेप 2, मेक, देखिए यहां पर ब्लॉक में ओ होना चाहिए. ओ होगा ब्लॉक. मेक ए ब्लॉक मीन्स स्क्वायर ऑफ 10. और कितने बनाना है 5. तो अब यहां पर कर लीजिए, इसको प्लस कर दीजिए यहां पर और यहां खींचिए. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. फिर एक यहां खींचिए. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 कर दीजिए तो दोनों आ जाएगा. चलिए इसको मिटाकर थोड़ा अच्छे ढंग से कर देता हूं. इसको मैं मिटा देता हूं. बराबर वाला 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. थोड़ा बराबर वाला रह जाए. फिर यहाँ ask the student to make. Don't worry about the size, length and breadth. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. अब देखिए this is a 50 because each block is of the 10. 10 5 is 50 plus step 3. Make a block of 1. Very simple. Very careful what I am trying to tell you. 3 for 3 digit, 3 step should be there. And below 100 block, write 100. Below 50 up, write 100. Below 1. And if you do this plus and this plus, so it is 151. But try to write this is O T H. And be careful. You can also write here OTH. You can write no problem here OT, but finally this. Now this is a short form. I've already explained in 2 digits. And this is 150 plus 1 is a expanded form. And also, suppose in this case one asks what is the place value of 1, so it is 100. What is the place value of the 5? It is 50. What is the place value of 1? It is 1. That means if there is other number, so accordingly you can make it, but I will tell you later on, not at this stage. Now I am giving some problem to make a figure, make a summation, make the expanded form, short form in a pictorial form. So I am giving the question for you. For you means for the children, for kids. And you have to do as I have just done in the example. And all 3 digit number will be already I have explained, and I have also given some question. So this is the question for practice. Question for practice. What is the question? Question. अब देखिए, write numbers write the following numbers, 3 digit numbers by using square, or you can say picture. A, 150. For your convenience, I am writing OTH. B, 275. OTH. C, 380 O T H. D 425. E 800 O. Then F 950. Again G 655. H 999. O. I then 100. अब मैं आपको एक हिंट दे रहा हूं जिसमें लड़कों को ज्यादा मेहनत नहीं होगा। हिंट क्या है? अब देखिए, समझ लीजिए। मेकिंग 100 स्क्वायर एवरी टाइम्स वन कैन एज्यूम। क्या एज्यूम कर सकता है? यहां पर देखिएगा, एज्यूम, ध्यान से आप यहां 100 का एक बार बना दीजिए। वंस 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. What you can do, you can write this thing is equal to big square. ज़्यादा सुन लीजिएगा, माने मीनिंग ऑफ बी स्क्वायर इज 100। और फिर देखिए दूसरा क्या जूम कर सकते हैं, यहां पर कह सकते हैं कि इस तरह से अगर यहां बनाएंगे 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, तो इसको आप कह सकते हैं कि मैंने एक वर्टिकल रेक्टेंगल बना दिया। तो इसका मीनिंग क्या हो गया? 10। और स्क्वायर का तो कोई दिक्कत नहीं है, ये स्क्वायर, ये छोटा स्क्वायर है, तो ये 1 है। आप इस तरह से जूम करके मैं एक प्रॉब्लम आपको सॉल्व करता हूं। बी क्वेश्चन बी को कैसे रिपीट करेंगे? क्या कहा गया? 275, तो यू राइट 100 100 200 75 plus 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 plus 5 1 2 3 4 5, तो यहां पर प्लस 70 प्लस 5, तो क्या हो जाएगा? 275 in a short form, expanded form. So you can say this thing. So at least he will be ready, he will have a practice to make a single square, vertical rectangle and big square. That is the end of my this lecture based on number up to 999. Thank you very much.